Good morning, class 5 students. Yes, hope you all are fine. As today we are going to read the new chapter, Sweet Dreams. This chapter is all about the good people always have good thoughts and they wish good for everybody. Whatever we do good, in that case you will be receiving the good things only. Now see what's in your chapter. It's given a good people always have good thoughts and they wish good for everybody. Many people in our life which are really wicked, they they, they are not ready to see someone's success, someone achievement. They are all their heart is filled with jealous and hatred. They cannot see others people happiness because but good always wins the heart of others. Good peoples always receive the good things. Now we will read the chapter. Now please follow in your book. Many, many years ago, in a kingdom of far, far away, there lived a beautiful princess. She had long red hair and loved roses so much that everyone called her Princess Rose. Every evening after dusk, you all know what is dusk? The meaning of dusk is a time of sunset. When your when your sun sets, that at that time that what known as dusk. Princess Rose went out on the balcony and clapped her hands. A golden bird came fly out of nowhere and alighted on her shoulder. Instantly, the princess hair began to shine ablaze with brilliant red light. What is ablaze? A very brightly colored. See, there is a kingdom far away. There live a beautiful princess who is really very beautiful. She is having a red hair and she loved roses. She loved roses so much, and that is why her name is Prince Rose. Okay, whenever she feel bored, she come out in her balcony and he clap, and all the birds from the tree, they used to come and sit on their balcony. Now see what happened when the birds started to warble a melodious tune. What is warble? A singing in changing note. When we sometimes sing in a mood, na, then our note is sometimes very high, low. That this thing is known as warble, a melodious tune. Princess Rose joined it in a song, and everyone in the kingdom fell asleep and had sweet dreams till the break of dawn. Thus passed the years. Every evening Princess Rose, along with the little golden bird, sang a lovely lullaby, so that all people fell asleep and he had sweet dreams till the break of dawn. What is lullaby, students? Lullaby is some melodious song which is given to a baby at the time of their sleep, so that they can sound sleep. So what the Princess Rose do? She used to sing the lullaby so that all the people, all the birds, or they all sleep in the sound, deeply sleep. Now see, one day something terrible happened. A wicked witch came to know about Princess Rose and decided to curse her. See, one day what happened, there is one witch, one wicked witch. She came to see the Princess Rose, and she decided to curse the princess because she was in a jealous, because Princess Rose was very beautiful and that witch is very ugly. See, then what happened? Abracadabra, sim simsala, bim. May the roses color dim, the witch said, and Princess Rose's hair instantly turned as black as tar. See what the witch has done in her jealousy. She given the curse to the Princess Rose. she uh, she uh, she she speaks that magical words, that abracadabra sim sim salabim, may the roses color dim. So she said ki the color of the hairs of the princess come changes the color in black. Now see what happened next. Come to next page. Till now, students, hope you all have understood the story. The story is very nice. Now see what happened the next. That evening, Princess Rose went out on her balcony and clapped her hands. But when the golden bird appeared, her hair glowed black instead of the red. Then sometime after some time, her friends, the birds, they appeared, and this what the bird saw, ki her golden hair, red hair, that is turned to black just because of the witch's curse. Now see, the bird warbled its melodious melody, and Princess Rose sang her lullaby. The bird used to divert the mood of the princess. She started singing the melodious song again, so that the Prince Rose should not be in the nervous mood. What we do when our friend is in a like in a sad mood, what we also do that we do something good, so that their mood should get divert. Yes. Now see, everyone in the kingdom fell asleep, but that night they only had bad dreams and nightmare. Like all the kingdoms was sleeping, but the princess was in a great mood of tension, and she was very upset because her beautiful hairs are turned into black. On the following day, the saddened princess asked the bird, "Tell me, golden bird, how can I make my people's dream sweet again till the break of dawn?" Now what the princess talked to his small bird, that what should I do so that the kingdoms should be uh, should kingdom should see the sweet dream. Now see, black hair in rose water. The bird chirped in reply, because princess was very in sad mood. She was talking sadly. She was she was thinking that what she should do to so that everyone can get the relief from the witch. ऐसा वो क्या करे जो विच से सबको पूरे किंगडम को छुटकारा मिल जाए. देन सी व्हाट हैपन. द प्रिंसेस वंडर्ड एट दिस काउंसिल बट अबाइडेड बाय इट. शी फिल्ड अप अ बेसिन विद वाटर एंड स्प्रिंकल्ड rose petals on its surface. The princess wondered at this counsel but abided by it. She filled up a basin. Now what she did, she took up the rose petal, and she poured in the water, and then she dipped her hair into the rose water, and it instantly turned red again. Then what she did, she put some petals into the water, and then she again poured his hair, so that her hair should again turn into red. Then see what happened now. Hope students still here, you all have understood this story. That then see then what happened next. That evening when the bird perched on her shoulder, the radiant red glow of her hair light up the night sky once more. The princess sang her lullaby, and everyone in the kingdom fell asleep and had sweet dreams till the break of dawn. See, when she was when her hair color has been changed to again turned to red, then she was in a relaxed mood. Then she again started to sing that melodious song, the lullaby, so that all the kingdom should sleep and they should have the sweet dreams. Now see, students, some of the time when we are not in a good mood, or some of the times we are sad, so we are not able to, we are not able to sing in a um, sing with a feeling or a good emotion. So when she was again happy with her red hair, she again sang that melodious song, so that all the kingdom should again sleep in sleep and in a form of sweet dreams. Now see what happened. The wicked witches was very angry that her curse had been broken, that she decided to cast it again. And you all know that here the witch's curse was again broken by the princess, because the witch's curse was not able to work for the long time. The princess again turn her hair into red again. Then see what again, she again came. Abracadabra, simsalabim, made the roses color dim, and the princess hair turned as black as tar again. Now, when the princess again turned her hair into red, then witch again came, and she again cursed with the magical words, and his hairs again turned to the black. Now see what happened. Only this time the witch also picked up all of the rose blooms in the entire kingdom. Let's see how you will break my curse now, she had filled with rage. Once again the saddened princess asked the birds, "Tell me, golden bird, how can I make my people dream sweet again till the break of the dawn?" Now again the prince was filled with sorrow. Then she again had a talk with her bird. What she said, now again the witch has accursed me. Now how will sing that melodious song, and how the kingdom will sleep soundly, and they will see the sweet dream. Now see what happened. Now students, come to page number 15. But where should I find a rose? Black here in rose water. The bird chirped and flew away. The princess didn't know what to do. So great was her anguish that her eyes filled with tears, one of them falling to the ground below. At that very moment, a young and a handsome prince, who had stopped under the balcony of the princess, took out a little box and a single red hair from within it. See, when she was crying in her balcony, then there was one handsome and beautiful young princess was there, who took away who was taken out of one rose from his box, and he that rose he gave to the princess. He bent down. He bent down and placed the hair atop the prince's tear. See, it's in given also in a picture. And then a miracle happened. Suddenly, the red hair turned into the red rose. See, the how the prince is helping the princess. The princess picked the rose and took it up to the princess. Upon seeing the rose, she immediately brushed off her tears and plucked its petal to add to the water in the basin. The princess directly took away the rose, and she directly taken out the rose petals and dipped into the water in the basin, so that she can easily change the color of her hair. She dipped in her hair, and the curse was broken. So this way the curse was broken again. She was again turned her hair into red color. Everyone gasped in astonishing, and the king asked the prince, "Young man, where did you find that red rose?" See, the father of the princess asked from that prince, that from where you have got that rose. When the princess and I were both children, I picked a single strand of hair from her head as a sign of my loyalty to her. And she did the same to me, pulling out the strand of my own hair. Then what when the father of the princess asked from that prince that from where you have got this red hair, then he replied, the prince replied that when we are small children, we usually do that, I pick single strand of hair from her head as a sign of a loyalty. So that hair, that piece of hair I am having till now, and that hair I returned it now. Now see, hope you all have understood this story till here. And students, please do read the story again and again, and if you face any problem, please let me know. Go through the difficult words, go through the paragraphs, and hope you all have understood the story, and we will continue the next page in our next class. Hope you all have understood the story till here. Okay, have a good day. Thank you. We will be doing the fill in the blanks, true and false, and question answer in our next class. And please do all complete your works. Hope you all are fine. Yes, students. Have a good day. Thank you.